Hi, my name is Andrei. I'm Comrades Green number 54978. And here is my Comrade send-off message to you for the 2025 edition of the Comrades Marathon. A couple of years back at one of my send-off parties, one of the elders gave this message. And I'm not sure who's the owner of the words, but it really resonated with me. He said, run the first 30 kilometers of Comrades using your head. You need to constantly use your head to remind yourself to take it easy, to run smartly, to not blow it, to not get carried away and start too fast. The next 30 kilometers, you run with your legs. That is where you trust your training and you run well, using just energy from your legs to keep propelling you forward. The last 30 kilometers, you run with your heart. That is where you need to convince yourself that you can make it. That even when it gets tough, that you need to dig deep and keep on going forward. Never stand still, never sit down. Every step forward must be a step closer to the finish line. And soon you're going to find yourself in single digits, and then it's just an 8 kilometer time trial, then it's a 5 kilometer park run, then it's a 4 kilometer short time trial, then it's just a run around the block and then across the finish line. I hope you all travel safely. I hope you all arrive at the start feeling great, injury free, healthy and super relaxed, but supercharged and ready to take on the Comrades Marathon. I hope you're going to have a great race. I hope to see you on the road. All the best.